Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Paz County in west central Arizona until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brenda, or 34 miles southeast of Parker, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brenda. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 25 and 40. US Highway 60 between mile markers 31 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: La Paz, Arizona,